na kana mwana America na mana matatu nyumba na rimwe tu mixa no doya ga kagariga no niko dai na koya but everywhere I go I will have a notebook and a pen and that's the first person I saw do that was Kibaki, President Kibaki, and he was president. He used to sit down with a notebook
nena ndo akumwandikira
but he wrote ona akinya menyaga heke dumate kuona kuona na kanota. So that anyway, so I had actually to that issue ya utogoria and he would get kwajia no githi hau ne gwenda kuri wa generation rathi kushagurana tumetaga microwave generation ile tugekora division wa na microwave kwa new mic
sawa
right but we have a generation you ukenda kuhihirio mundu ashikira gathani washikira microwave dakika munana nuthu dakika igiri shikahiuha ukaria karuta mundu ucio kumwira ati gwa kafara itekaga miaka 5 ugigathi gwetha besha gushifangira gushikira budget gwika atia ucio ari gwini kiureka and that is part of the reason we having a problem ni ule turashagura atongoria undu mundu ucio aragushagura aitwaga maisha make magio ni gucenjia right now tutire thitima gwitu ndagushagurire twikire thitima uranjira ndunekira ndunakinyia in fact ni ndu no ndira kirugama kuria gwitu Nyeri town ngirugama ndira one tobe twetikire guti mundu ukinyagia igana kwa igana kogurure ni grade ta ndari kigeranio agikwa hete mawira matano ri ni njikite matatu ko ni njikite matatu tumenye gatagati gakwa na kujejania uri ungiroka maya meri matigarite me at least ni njue agiko ni njikite rami itura rimwe ri ni njue kuria miumaga no ndehe itura ringi uri uroka ndoe kuria miumaga
ni kwajia
gusharia na nderiria bunge no ndukana kuhenio ni mundu uti mundu igira bunge no first time o ure wewe uthiaga tumekaga fani ati wathire kumenya kuria cioro iri wekamenya kuria thitima ciruta kamenya kuria rami ciumaga wekamenya uria budget wikiraga indo ciaku budget-ini it takes time to take you a year and a half koguo mo first nearly every first time autaga wira miaka 3 na nuthu wa mucijania ucio ngi nakio kaka utawira miaka 3 na nuthu
ko mutura mukiritaga hau
na mekafanona na kanini kega mubunge wa Kenya he serving his second term alikiri rami kilomita 400 the ability to find 400 kilometers of tarmac I do not know a single first timer who can find so akikoni mwenda gwikira rami kwa nyure mumenye no ginya mwacokia mundu nigetha ahote kunyitithania mitaratara kinyone rami munyitithanie mucokie mundu nigetha ahote because it gutire handu ona tumeka fan kinya staff abuge ni matwiraga mabaya guturora ugo twingira first time maka mbere haku miaka 2 kinya staff abuge
mo ici ni njuka
ici ni njuka ugikamenya kwandika bill kana kwandika motion kumenya ure mundu atumagira the legal ndu tutithiaga turi legal mundu andu matiaga wakiri no wathi guthondeka watho so you have to learn how to use the legal infrastructure and the legal infrastructure in parliament so you will be taught but there's also wewe tuaga we mugiru ni wachagurirwo we kamenya kunyitithania maundu nigetha uhingie wira uria warutirwo to take time and that is why it is important. That's why Kibaki was so excellent. He was being defined as an excellent parliamentarian. But if you've been in parliament for 8 terms, my friend, you can write books for people. And I'm really praying that he wrote a book. I am really praying that there's a book that exists somewhere about Mwai Kibaki.
Brendan.
It would be perfect. It would be perfect. Na gire kia hani ala turiki that there is something else we also tukwenda turikana President Kibaki akire matatu. The matatu sector. Umuthi ati adu matishura ni dikana atwe college twafanga go haina mundu andika wo wira matatu ufanga andu. Waigiraga arugamite haria thutha kuja wiki gakona gaka muka mwikitio kona-ini no kero umenye hari uraumira undu we agikora umira hakuhe na waigire na guku thutha no uthire kinya ngari icoke under Kibaki's term through Mishoki we cleaned up that sector so that's something else we need to do. And finally we go to session of paper number 10 that Kibaki brought in the 60s.
Yes,
that session of paper is a fundamental narrative na tutumagira thikuishia one man one vote one shilling because oigaga agikora kwina handu haraumia kidu kirateithia thirikari then the government has a responsibility to invest in that place then you go and cover other places that is what we're talking about, one man one vote one shilling right now. That was in the 60s. He saw it in the 60s. We are fighting for it today.
Yes.
That is the man we are burying.
Asante.
And as Nyeri, we feel the loss, but we are also proud at umete wito. Tuiteaga tukeraga andu twaina mutongoria wetu Kibaki. Umete wito.
Na no gukumoge. Ije no gukumoge. To mukire okuo. Asante. Ni gatho nyingi muno. gutuika ati ni moya makahinda kanyu tuke tuikare kuma tha ithatu cia rucini nginya tha mugwanja ti kaundu tuoyaga uguo raithi. Asante sana, ni ngatho nyingi muno mukarugamia mawira manyu muke tukorwo twi hamwe tutioyaga ucio wi undu wa raithi. Asante sana, ngatho nyingi muno twakimwira asante mutindie thayo murore magukumia nake Jehova Ngai amurathime.